The morning fire geeked out. Party air watching. I need to make a full announcement. The Nora in the cafeteria. Yesterday was a period. We're going to move the Nora up to yellow.
Excuse me, Dr. Abner. Aggie Ambassador is supposed to do the morning announcement.
Oh no, I'm the principal. Y'all been hugging it all year long.
Goodbye, Dr. Abner. Thanks for stopping by.
But I have more announcements.
Maybe tomorrow.
Good morning, Indian Valley family.
Matter of fact, Deputy.
Good morning, Indian Valley family. Today is a great day to be an Aggie. My name is Trip Rivers.
And my name is Cullen Wright.
We're your Aggie ambassadors in the second grade. Don't forget to be a star today. To be a star, you must strive to do your best, take responsibility, act safely, respect others and yourself. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Please be seated. Please pause for the moment of silence. Thank you.
Today we would like to wish a happy birthday to Brinley and Kinsley Dotson. Our motto is learning today, leading tomorrow. Our mission, college, career, community success. School pledge. I am here to learn all I can learn. I will strive to do my best today. I will take responsibility for the choices I make. My actions will be to act safely at all times, in all places. I will respect others and myself. I will do this because doing the right thing is what makes me a star. I am learning today so I can lead tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great day and go Aggies!